Good morning, everybody. Today we are on POV session in the nature, and we're gonna get some good photos today, maybe. I hope so. We're shooting with the Canon EOS R5 and 24 to 105 mm f2.8. It's a great lens. I love it. Such a great lens. Nice. I don't know if the photos will come great, but I will try my best to edit them the best way possible. It's actually just after sunrise and the light is not that harsh. It's soft thanks to the clouds. We'll see. Holy. Coffee break. But before that, I've seen something very good. Nice. It's actually not that heavy. It's about 2 kilos, everything. The lens and the camera. Also the cage. I don't know, but the light is so perfect, man. It's actually perfect. Perfect time for some photos. Oops. This is the one thing I love when I go out to shoot. You just sit and it feels like you're lost in some magical world. It's not real, but it actually is. This is the beauty of the nature. It feels good. take some photos of this guy. I've got it for almost, actually it's over a year now, and I thought to myself, wait, I don't have any photos of this one, neither of this one, so I think it's the perfect time to take some photos. Let me just take this out. Okay, I'm done with this one. Oh my god, look at the comparison in size. What the fuck? It's like a baby to the R5. Holy. Okay, let me see. This one actually got the 50mm, you know, the lens everybody knows about. It's actually the first one I bought with this camera, and done a very great job actually. I'm so proud of this little boy, so powerful. Let's take some photos on the table. Nice. Okay. Let's see. I want to put it on a rock or something like that. Okay, here. It's actually good. Let's see. So I should put it maybe like this. I'm not sure. It's going to work. Nice. Okay. I'm thinking we can do it this camera as well. The same thing. Oh my god, look at this. And the light is coming up, which is amazing. I forgot how to shoot with this one. Holy. Okay, I'll take the lens cap first. What the fuck am I thinking? Holy shit. It's amazing. I haven't shot with this one in a while. It feels strange now. Holy moly, it's amazing. Okay. Let's see. Let's move. Okay. Holy moly. Okay. It's not the best place to chill because of all this garbage, but you know, people. Nice shot. I'm so shaky. Never mind. It's actually perfect. Oh my god, man. This light is so good. Look at it. Holy. Back to the forest we go. This will be my first video and I'm not sure if the quality is okay and the sound also. We'll see when I start to edit. Also, I don't know if it's going to be shaky, the video, but I'm shooting with my iPhone 13 and with the white lens. I'll try to put some stabilization. I don't know which road should I take. I came from there. Let's go here. I'm actually talking much more than taking photos, but I don't like to take photos of everything I see, every leaf. I take photos of what I think it's good, and if something catch my eye, I thought, tell myself, okay, this one is going to be great, the edit's going to be perfect. I try to imagine the end result, not the, the scenery when I'm taking the photo. Okay, how should I do it? I don't want to drop it. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Okay. Or maybe I should put it on the other big rock here. This one is actually perfect, I think. Let's see. Oh yes. Let's freaking go. Nice. A bit closer. Oh yes. This is the money shot. Let's change them. Holy. Oh, of course. Yeah. Why not? Have the best out of us. Nice. Very nice, bro. Very nice. Top down, maybe? Oh, yes. Oh, nice. Close up. Let's go, baby. Nice. How about from here? Okay. Let's go. I love how the light is hitting the leaves, but I don't see anything that's going to be actually perfect. I want something that's, when you see it, you say, wow, this is actually perfect. Of course. Okay, now we got a scenery. I will use the trees in the front as a frame. And I'll try to frame this the best way I can. I hope this works out. I got this beast for like, I don't know, 2 months maybe, and I still haven't shot in 8K. This thing can shoot in 8K raw, so good, but I realized that the SD card that I'm using can't record in 8K, also 4K raw, so I ordered a CF Express Type B card that can record 8K. So I'm waiting for it and we'll see. Oh, I don't want to go this way. There are a lot of dogs. I'm going back. Okay, we can go straight through the forest and we go back to where we came. I'll take some photos there of the both R5 and R8. There's a little bee making circles around me. I don't know if you can hear it. Top down shot. Let's see. Okay. Good. Come on. Yeah. Nice. This one is so heavy. Oh my. Oh my. It's like, what? 3 times in a row? Holy. Come on. Oh man. Yes. Pretty good. The sun is coming up. The light is going to be a little bit harsh, so I don't like shooting in midday and harsh light. If it's cloudy, I can shoot all day, but it's not cloudy, it's going to be very sunny and very hot soon. So I'll try to take something to end this video. Maybe some of these leaves, I don't know. Maybe this one. Okay. I've seen some photographers when they take photos and when they edit them, they look so unreal, but that is a personal preference, so I don't blame them. have our own way of editing photos, so nope. Come on. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and please consider subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you want to see more of these types of videos, POV sessions, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.